guys, and welcome to one more video of my channel. Before I tell you everything about my strawberry cake and this amazing nature, I want to remind you to subscribe if you enjoy your journey so far with me and help me create more videos for you. Back to our video. I can't have enough of this tasty and healthy strawberry cake and these amazing nature scenes. I feel like I am in a movie and these are made by some AI on the green screen behind me. But no, these are real places that we visited these days. More details I'll put on the description below as always if you want to visit yourself one day. Strawberry picking has become our new favorite thing since last year when we visited the farm for the first time. Our family is picking strawberries and then we make jam, ice cream, cake and milkshakes. These strawberries can't compare with the ones you buy at the store. These strawberries smell like strawberries. They are red and they taste amazing. We picked around 10 pounds. In this video, I'm sharing the healthiest version of a strawberry cake with no sugar that is also delicious. First thing is to wash the strawberries. I use water, soda and white vinegar. I soak them for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash off again with plenty of water. As long as they are soaking, I'm preparing the cake batter. I use Greek yogurt and eggs, vanilla extract, avocado oil, which I whisk little by little, Greek honey or date syrup, lemon zest and lemon juice, and the dry ingredients of a whole wheat flour, baking powder and a pinch of salt. I cut 1/3 of the strawberries in cubes and the rest in half. mix the cubes with the cake batter, and with the rest I top the cake. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit. You can top it with a strawberry sauce or some chocolate ganache. For the strawberry sauce, I use strawberries, a bit of milk and date syrup. You can find the detailed recipe on greekandsimple.com. See you next week. Until then, enjoy this beautiful cake and nature.